In the manufacturing industry, stirring by the shaft as the mixing process is most general method. These devices have problems of degraded quality and extended working hours, as a dead zone occur when the capacity of a tank becomes larger or slightly increases. To solve these problems, 케이엔에스컴퍼니 launches INLINE mixer, which is a circulation-type high-shear mixer strengthening dispersion performance using the multi-staged rotor and stator by applying the concept of pumping and circulation. Unlike the shaft-type HOMO mixer, the INLINE mixer has excellent dispersion and emulsification efficiency, as the rotor and the stator are two-staged in horizontal structure. Because materials passing through the multi-staged rotor and stator without a dead zone inside the chamber, which is a limited space, have more excellent dispersion efficiency than materials passing through the one pair of rotor and stator, and repeats dispersion by pumping and circulation until the process ends. It has better dispersion and emulsification efficiency than the HOMO mixer. It is preferable because it has better performance when dispersing and emulsifying materials with heavy specific gravity, as the rotor and the stator, which are the impeller, are placed at the bottom, unlike HOMO mixer. To maximize the dispersion effect, 케이엔에스컴퍼니 applies 0.2 millimeters of the clearance between the rotor and stator, which is the world best level. This level is miniaturized more than twice compared to the average clearance of existing foreign-made devices, 0.5 millimeters. Since shearing force is hugely improved through this, more than doubled emulsification and dispersion effect can be obtained compared to the same RPM. 0.1 millimeter clearance is also available for a special option when high dispersion is needed. This means that there is no vibration of the rotation shaft at high-speed rotation, and that we have next-level high-tech prowess. As the excellent performance of the INLINE mixer of 케이엔에스컴퍼니 is globally recognized, it has been widely used in the emulsification and dispersion processes of cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and foods. It is also used usefully in input and premixing of powder into liquid. In smaller ways, INLINE mixer can be used in circulation method by connecting a hopper, or in broader ways by connecting to a storage tank you might have. INLINE mixer has excellent applicability as it can be applied to large processes such as supersized reactors, as it can be installed only by connecting a pipe to a tank with high capacity of several tons. In particular, it shows excellent performance in minute grounding of soft materials and dissolution and mixing of additives, mainly used in the food industry. Besides, it is a general-purpose type emulsification disperser that can be widely used in emulsification, dispersion, and stirring in various fields. INLINE mixer of 케이엔에스컴퍼니 has devices in various scales, from experimentation to production, so that excellent performance of the device can be applied to more processes. It also widens its range of choices by providing the compatible rotor stator, mechanical seal, impeller such as a hopper and accessories, so that various options can be applied for the convenience of customers. Next-level technology born with excellent technical prowess. Masterpiece of emulsifiers and dispersers ranking with global devices. This is the acclaimed INLINE mixer of 케이엔에스컴퍼니.